All right, let's dive into changing the aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. Say you've been working tirelessly on your video for days, and now you need to adjust the aspect ratio. Traditionally, you'd create a new sequence, specify the dimensions, and start over. But not anymore. Premiere Pro has a nifty feature called Auto Reframe Sequence that'll change the way you work. Here's how it's done. First, click on your video clip in the timeline. Then, head up to the Sequence menu and select Auto Reframe Sequence. A window will pop up asking for your sequence name. Below that, you'll find various aspect ratio options, including square, vertical for Instagram, vertical for TikTok, and the usual horizontal. You can even customize your own aspect ratio by entering specific dimensions. Let's say we want to convert our video to a 9:16 aspect ratio, perfect for TikTok. Premiere Pro does its magic by using motion tracking and keyframes to adjust the frame and keep your subject centered. If your video has minimal movement, choose slow motion. For fast-paced action, go for faster motion, or simply keep it on default. Once you've made your selection, hit Create and voila! Your video is now reframed to the desired aspect ratio. For further adjustments, you can fine-tune the reframing offset on the X and Y axes as needed. And there you have it. Changing the aspect ratio in Premiere Pro is now as easy as pie. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.